Have you ever wondered, what is the secret ingredient of success that makes some people super rich? Well, they must be doing something different that takes them above and beyond mediocrity. So, if you are confused about the tactics and the things that you need to do to be rich, then you have come to the right place. Hi guys, welcome to another video on our channel, where I address some of the most pressing questions for you guys. For today, I have decided to talk about the things that rich people do that make them rich, and poor people don't. Hence, they are forced to live a life of mediocrity. So, without wasting any time, let's talk about those things that are going to make you rich. But before we dig deep into the video, I would like you guys to subscribe to our channel, press that bell icon so you get notified when we upload new content. Whenever asked, no one likes a life of mediocrity, that's for sure. But is everyone ready to put in the required effort with perseverance that would lead them out of the life of misery? That's something not everyone can do. Well, most people believe that when it comes to the lives of these super rich people, they just got lucky or inherited the wealth from their ancestors. Might be true for some, but not for all. So for those who didn't have luck, or rich parents to put money in their bank accounts, how did they get rich? If you're in such a situation where you come from a humble background and have made peace with the fact that you can't get out of that life, that's not true. It's just that there are certain habits that rich people have that differentiate them from the poor. So let's talk about those things that the rich do and the poor don't. Number 1, set financial goals. When it comes to doing things differently, I guess this is an important thing that the rich do, but the poor don't. Setting up your financial goal is an important factor that plays a huge role in deciding your financial future. These aren't some arbitrary goals like, I would be rich if I somehow get $1 million, but well-defined financial goals. For example, if I am a business owner, then I need to make sure that after all expenses, I have at least $100,000 profit. That is a clear financial goal. Having a goal makes sure that you don't get distracted and have a particular plan to accomplish that goal. Number 2, read instead of watching TV. Reading is not just about how to become rich, but the transfer of ideas, the accumulation of perspectives, and a connection with the author. It's something that everyone must experience. So, why is this on the list of things that rich people do and poor do not? It's because rich people read, and they read a lot. This is one habit that every rich man on the face of the world has. It doesn't matter if it's an interview or a podcast, you'll hear them talking about the importance of reading books. And sadly, most people don't have the habit of reading books. They would prefer watching a good movie over Netflix or just sit idly in front of a TV. So, if you are watching this video with the intent that you'll learn about the habits of the rich, and then will implement those in your own life, this one is a must. One piece of advice that I can dispense is to get yourself a book of any genre you like and start reading. Time spent on reading books is the best investment ever. Happy reading! Number 3, focus on opportunities. One of the habits that you'll profoundly find in the rich is that they have developed a mindset that makes them focus on the opportunities rather than the obstacles and problems around them. This one habit has made so many people rise from the ashes to become a tycoon in different industries. Where poor people with mediocre mindsets keep leaning onto the hurdles and obstacles that are keeping them from achieving their goals, the rich make an opportunity out of their misery. It's not the circumstances, but the mindset that matters. Number 4, take responsibility. The blame game is thought to be an easy way out. But if you are someone who's fed up with their mediocre life, then trust me, this is a habit you must master. You won't find rich people, like celebrities or wealthy influencers, blaming other people for their problems. It's the common people. But trust me with this, you are responsible for yourself. If you think by shifting the blame for your circumstances or situation to your parents, friends, or partners will help you, you are free to live a delusional life. But if you want to change your life for good, then you must learn from the rich how they take full responsibility for their lives and their actions. Try it out. It works every time. Number 5. Have a healthy lifestyle. Now, this is a point that shouldn't be exclusive to the rich only. Every human should adopt a healthy lifestyle. However, it's sad that people don't focus on the gift that nature has bestowed upon them. Eating Big Macs might be tastier than eating salads, but what good are they, making you obese, lazy, and deteriorating your health over time? The way to getting rich requires a lot of thinking and thought to process. And if you are already struggling with health issues, how will you be able to focus on the things that matter? You must have heard, a healthy body keeps a healthy mind. Health is one form of investment that always pays off. So, if you are thinking of getting rich, first, change your lifestyle. Because trust me, it's a competitive world out there waiting for you. And if you want to compete, then it's a compulsion that your body must be in the best shape. Number 6. Invest in learning and growth. Rich people understand that the world is changing very fast. And to keep up with the changing world, you must keep learning and growing. There were times when getting an undergraduate or a master's degree was an end to education, but not anymore. You must keep on learning and adding new knowledge to your mind so that you don't get redundant over time. Although there are several resources available for free today for you to learn, still there are some specialized skills that you need to invest some substantial money in. This is the point where poor people draw their lines. They think investing in education and learning is not as fruitful as investing in some other things. But what they don't know is that out of all the things in the world, your knowledge and learning is one thing that no one can take away from you. And investing in such a thing is an investment for life. Want to join the Club of the Rich? Then start investing in your learning and education today. Number 7. Focus on long term. If you ever want to figure out who has a mediocre mindset, simply pitch them something that is a long game, and you will find them immediately backing out. And it's not some rocket science we're talking about. It's just how long can you wait for the return? That's it. The level of patience that people lack these days is a major problem. No matter if it's a stock or a business, they want an immediate return out of it. The world doesn't work like that. This is what the rich understand, and their focus is not on how quickly they can get what they want, but on how sustainable the return is. You are in for a surprise if you think you can achieve success with shortcuts. No one has ever found success like that, and the same is true for financial success. So, instead of focusing on the short-term gains, look out for the projects that can earn you big in the long run. I'll let you in on a little secret. It's cheap to invest in projects that are in their initial phases, but are promising. So just go out and look for ways to get rich. It shouldn't be shortcuts. Rest you are good to go. Number 8. Learn from the mistakes of others. Learning can come in any form, and learning from the mistakes of others is one of the best forms of learning. Rich people constantly look out for case studies of failure and mistakes that can help them bypass the learning curve by not committing those mistakes. Many people think one must learn from their own mistakes, which isn't completely wrong. However, if you have the example, then why stick to the experience approach? So next time when you try to learn what to do, learn what not to do as well. That is it for today. I hope you liked and enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon for future notifications. Until then, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.